how to delete chats on Telegram. First step for deleting your chats on Telegram is to open Telegram app and log into your Telegram account. After you do that, you need to choose which chat you want to delete. So let's say I want to delete this chat over here. In order to do that, I need to hold on the name. Once I hold on the name, I can get this message over here, box at the bottom of the message over here. You can see the delete option. You can click on the delete option. Once you click on delete option, it says, are you sure you want to delete the chat with this person? If you are sure, you can click on delete. If you are not, you can click on cancel. Now remember, once you click on delete, you guys have 4 seconds to undo the delete. So I'm going to show you. I click on delete in the bottom and I see the counter. If I click on undo my delete, it's going to be undone. So you guys have 4 second time. If you change your mind, you can click on undo and it will be undone. But if you're sure you want to delete, click on delete and wait for 4 seconds. Let the countdown finish up and it should be done. It should disappear. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.